Look at their long, long tails. Look how pretty they are.
Hi, Parrot.
Hi, parrots.
You want?
Oh, and cockroaches. Look how big they are. Man.
What you saying?
Let's stay up here, Julia.
What you saying? What you saying?
I don't know what they're saying. Hi, guys. I think they're saying hi, guys. Daniel, no touch. On. You gotta stay on. You gotta stay on the wood. We have to stay on the walk. Look at the cockroaches.
That's my favorite.
They are. Yeah, look at it. Like how long his tail is.
See that parrot?
Look,
That's-
this is a cockatoo.
The nails are a little sharp. Put your arm out.
Put your arm. No.
Okay, the nails are a little sharp.
I want
What? No, tell him take a message.
Oh, look at that, Julia.
The nails are sharp, aren't they?
Oh,
Nice.
You
Did
wanna
you get
try?
it?
I want mine.
Okay, the nails are sharp, okay, but it's not biting you. They're just sharp
Just
nails.
feels like a little pinch. This feels like a little pinch. Lito, look
Don't
at
touch them.
that.
Pretty cool.
Go.
Yeah. Is she pretty?
Pretty bird.
JR, you want to try?
Want one? All right, nails are sharp, okay, so it's just going to feel a little pinchy, but not bad. All right.
Look at that.
Pretty nice, huh?
You like the bird?
Here, put your hand out. Put this hand out. And put it right near. Open your hand.
That
Oh, just hold it flat.
parrot
Oh.
has a smelly.
The parrot let us smell
Smell
it.
it, yes.
Oh boy.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wow, was that neat?
You want to try?
Julia, it's Jake's turn.
I think
Julia
Julia wants
likes
to
it.
try it again.
All right, Julia, nice. Hey, open your hand. Open your hand.
Gentle. Gentle.
All right. Isn't that cool?
Daniel.
Isn't she nice?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Good girl. Good girl.
Jake.
Daniel, get back here.